Feeling so electric, I'm unapologetic. I light this room up like a carnival. I'm silent cause I'm happy, I'm extra, oh so fancy. I got that sparkle like a disco ball. Ooh, nothing's gonna dull my shine. That's right. Ooh, these feet are gonna dance all night for life. Good things are coming, like a sunny day. I got that something to make you wanna sing like nothing in my way. Hear me when I say good things are coming. Good things.
My boy, Daddy. Who would have thought that a simple papalo naman sa Twitter would lead us here? Finally, kinasal na tayo. Sa 12 years, hindi madali, pero inilaban natin pareho.
Actually, nung high school days, crush ko na po yan. Nakita po yan sa tarpaulin. Tapos, di ko din in-expect nung nag-college po. Yun, chinat ko po siya.
Nag-chat lang siya sa akin sa social media na papalo naman sa Twitter.
Magpa-follow lang po ng sa Twitter din. Doon na po nag-start.
And ilang months, ligaw, nag-getting to know each other din. Tapos, naging kami.
Ngayon ay magkakatotoo. Lahat ng to dahil sa'yo.
My wife, 12 taong pag-ibig na matibay. Sa bawat pagsubok, tayo'y sabay. Ngayon, dumating ang araw na inaasam. Pangakong panghabang buhay, ating tatamsain, yayakapin ng ganun.
Kamay at mula ngayon, lilipas ang panahon. Magkahawak, magkasama, tayong dalawa.
Thank you for coming into my life exactly when I needed you. You showed up with patience, kindness, and a kind of love I never knew I deserved. Today and always, I choose you. And I will keep choosing you every single day.
Buhay ko'y sumaya mula nang makilala ka. Wala naman.
This is our day and I'm excited sa araw na to. I love you so much and excited to see you.
After 12 years, eto na ikakasal na tayo. Finally! Magiging asawa na kita at asawa mo na din ako. Ako yung unang kakampi mo. Alam mo naman yan. See you later. I love you.
Dahil sa'yo, heto na, heto na. Magkasama tayong dalawa, di na bibitawan ang mga kamay. At mula ngayon, lilipas ang panahon. Magkahawak, magkasama, tayong dalawa.
Annabelle, did you come here of your own free will to find yourself forever in the love and the service of your husband?
Yes, I do.
Carlo, did you come here of your own free will to find yourself in love and service of your wife? Yes, I do.
Ikaw ang saya ng bawat umaga. Aking lakas kapag mundo'y tila mabigat na dala. Sa'yo ko tagpuan ang tahanang payapa. Ang lambing na walang kapalit ng wagas at sinta.
So today, I stand here with so much happiness and peace, knowing I am marrying the man who reminds me every day that God's timings is always perfect.
Magkasama tayong dalawa, di na bibitawan ang
Who without peace, the God, your wife, ever.
lipas ang panahon.